What's up guys, welcome once again to Coach Remy Home Workout. We are currently on day number 22 and today's workout is going to be cardio. So if you're looking for a program you can follow at home for, let's say, for 2 months, then you are on the right page. Hit subscribe and also the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new workout for you guys that you can enjoy from home. And if you do enjoy any of the workouts on this page, please share with family and friends to help me get the message across. So let's get right into our cardio workout. Alright, stand tall. Let's start with the hip mobility. Since it's cardio, hip has to be warmed up, and ankle joints and knees. Rest. So now we are going to burpee. This is modification. If you're not explosive, you do it like this. And for people who are explosive, they do like that. Beautiful. High knees with swinging arms. Modification for high knees. Alright. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Rest. Beautiful. Next one, tuck jumps. Modification. We do need to elbow. First, let's go. Rest. Wow, guys. Ooh. High knees are coming up. Let's go. Core tight. Stand up tall. Rest. Wow. Ooh. Jumping jacks. Modification. Okay. Let's go. Rest. Beautiful, guys. Deep breath in, slow exhale. High knees again are coming up. Let's go. Rest. Wow, guys. Whew. This is wonderful. Next one. Back it to that jump. Let's go.
Let me show you something.
Fire, fire, fire. High knees. Ooh. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Rest. Whoa. We are going to butt kicks. Butt kicks. Like this. Let's go. Beautiful. Keep it up guys. So now we're going to start jump. Imagine if you're a beginner, just do jumping jacks. Let's go. Finish strong. Under 10 seconds. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful guys. Yes, we did it. Day number 22. Done and sealed. Ooh. What a beautiful way to challenge the body without going out of the house. Yes, so my watch is telling me that we burned 130 calories. Wonderful guys. Let me catch the breath. So the way you bring the heart rate down in through the nose and you hold it. So you count, you start, let's say, on a count of 2. You inhale on a count of 2, you exhale on a count of 2, and then afterwards you go on a count of 3, and then the heart rate will come down very quick. Let's do it. Okay. Now on a count of 3. Beautiful guys. Thank you for spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this workout, or if you know someone you want to challenge, share this workout with them and ask them if they can finish this workout. Alright, this one was a tough one and a good one to burn calories in a very short amount of time. There you have it, how to burn 130 calories in 10 minutes. This is how we do it. Alright guys, see you on day number 23. Bye bye.